Today, I will let you know about Allama Iqbal book Payame Mashriq, which was translated by Hadi Hussain in English. Allama Iqbal has a burning desire for finding one inner self and how to be proactive. His showing, he shows us the path towards self-actualization, which he called Khudi. Allama Iqbal lived in a region which was experiencing a deep phase of depression. The Muslim community was feeling worthless after being rulers for 300 years during the Mughal rule. Now they were downtrodden and hopeless in India. Today one can relate to these verses. Sometimes reading Iqbal poetry, one feels that he has written these words after seeing today's news. The pain and cry of the heart is felt so deeply. He particularly feels the agony of the one deprived of his freedom. Payame Mashriq will rank among the major efforts made to introduce Iqbal to sophisticated Western audiences. My readers will by themselves appreciate that the main purpose underlying it is to bring our moral, religious, and social truth bearing on the inner development of individuals and nation. The East, and especially the Muslim East, has opened its eyes after a centuries long slumber. But the nation of the East should realize that life can bring about no revolution in its surrounding until a revolution take place in its inner depths, and that no world can take shape externally until it is formed in the minds of men. Quran in the simple but eloquent words, verily God does not change a nation until it changes itself. Don't put chains of fate upon your feet. There is a way under this rolling dome. If you doubt this, rise and shake off your chains. Your feet will find an open field to roam. Here are four verses which are translated from Persian to English. How long will you remain depressed like this? How long have your nest in the dust like ants? Learn how to fly like falcons and soar high. Seek food not on the ground but in the sky. Here are the four verses which were translated from Farsi to English. If you know your potentialities, then with the dew you are create vast seas. O heart, why beg the moon for ends of light? Let your own flaming breath light up your nights. I highly recommend to read this book Payame Mashriq.